Code 971 shows up a lot on transcripts, but when it appears with action code 065, it means something specific. The IRS wants your client to verify their identity. 971 AC 065 is an identity verification request. The IRS flagged the return because something about the filing triggered their identity theft filters. This could be a new filing address, a different bank account for direct deposit, or income that does not match prior years. Here's what your client needs to do. They will receive a letter, usually a 5071C or 5747C, with instructions to verify online at idverify.irs.gov or by phone. They cannot skip this step. Until they verify, the return will not process. Important: you cannot verify on your client's behalf. The taxpayer must do it themselves with their personal information. Once verified, look for code 572 to appear on the transcript. That means the hold was released and processing resumed.
If 971 AC 065 appeared more than 60 days ago and there is no 572, the client may not have completed verification or the letter was lost. Transcript Tax Monitor Pro identifies action codes within 971 entries and tells you exactly what is needed. Free code lookup in the description.